I am supposed to be closing soon on a house this week, but my understanding with the 3-day rule is that my lender needed to send the closing disclosure documents 3 business days in advance, which would have needed to be on Friday. Obviously that didn't happen or I wouldn't be posting here. I spoke to them on the phone and they said that they would backdate it. Is this legal? For the record, this is a reputable local lender and not Space Mortgage or something along those lines.
No, just don't do it. Do not backdate your closing disclosure or any other documents. You have the right to get your closing disclosure 3 business days before consummation. Consummation is when you're obligated on a loan. Most days, most loans, that is also the closing date, but not all. Sometimes in escrow states, your closing date might be a day or 2 afterwards. Those business days do not include Sundays and holidays. Every other day includes. It doesn't have to be a full business day. If you got your closing disclosure at 11:59 p.m. on Thursday counts. Again, I can't reiterate enough. Don't backdate it. Don't work with a loan officer that asks you to backdate. And I say loan officer or their staff because I don't believe there's any actual lenders they're going to ask you to do that. So usually it's a rogue staff of some kind, rogue loan officer. The system, all the software systems, know when it was sent to you. If it's emailed, most systems also know when you opened it. Now, with that said, the date on a CD may not match. But again, they know when it's delivered and don't backdate when you sign it. Now, the reason it might match, for example, today is the 5th of July. I might get a closing disclosure review. Closers may send it to me toward the end of the day. Hey, can you review this before we send it? And then I review it, reply, and say, okay, approved, but it might be after hours at that point, and they're just going to send it out the next day. And that's fine. It may say the 5th, but the clock isn't starting until that next day, the 6th, when it was sent. If you're working with a loan officer or a lender or staff that asks you to backdate anything, that's time to run. Because if they're taking a shortcut that blatantly with you, what else are they doing? It was a big thing back after the bubble. People starting to lose their house. Enterprise and attorneys were saying, okay, let's try to sue the lenders. Take a look at the paperwork. And they look for everything. And they were finding just way too many times. Well, one time's too many. Documents that would contain a borrower's signature, but it wasn't the borrower's signature. Somebody else had signed it. Maybe somebody with the lender. They think we're saving them time, things like that. So you have to question, if you're asked to backdate, what else is happening? My suggestion is run away quickly, work with somebody else. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Happy to reply to everybody, or reach out to me directly. My contact information is in the description or in my profile. Happy to assist anybody who's looking to buy or refinance within a state that I'm licensed. But regardless, leave comments. Happy to reply to them. I want to thank you for watching my video. And have a great day.